Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
大家好，你好，我係 Josephine. And you know, there's a special tea that the Hakka drink, and I love it so much. You can actually find it every time you go to a Hakka village, or even here in Taipei. 其實有一個是客家人喜歡喝的茶，就叫做擂茶。
擂茶。
擂茶. You gotta know about this because it is so tasty. It's called the lei tea. That's what I'm going to call it right now because that's how it's pronounced in Chinese. Lei tea, 擂茶.
擂茶.
擂茶. And what it is it's actually a green tea base. And then they also put, I think, sesame and sometimes peanuts. And then a lot of times all sorts of grains. 其實呢，這個裡面呢是好像聽說是綠茶為底嘛，對不對？
綠茶
啊，是綠茶啊，就是綠茶 green tea。然後有芝麻，尤其這個芝麻就好了哦。
買
啊？
買？
你在罵我嗎？
買就會芝麻。
That is so funny. I love it. Okay, 買 that's sesame. Okay, 要小心講真的。然後再來有五穀米在裡面。
五穀米。
Okay, that's grained rice. And what you do is, a lot of times when you go to these tea houses that sell lei tea, they give you all these ingredients and you put it into a bowl.
濾八。
濾八。
就擂钵裡面。
哦，擂钵哦，就是那種碗，是不是？
對。
哦，它有個特別的名詞就對了。
濾八。
濾八。Okay, that is the special bowl that they use, and you have to start to grind it.
可以磨。
磨 okay 磨就是磨 grind. I'm telling you, this is really fun, and the tea is especially delicious because it's got a very special aroma. It almost feels like you're having a dessert rather than tea. 其實有的時候喝擂茶的感覺好像在吃點心的那種感覺。
對啊。
哦，不像是在喝茶，它有茶跟點心的味道在裡面。
還有蜜腸。
蜜腸是？就是
人家閩南語，他們不是
蜜香哦。
哎，對對對。
哦，蹦蜜香。
嘿。
哦，那個很可怕。我小時候，都蹦一聲，我要趕快跑。
一口氣了。
對對對。Oh, okay. So they also have Rice Krispies too, which is really good that you can have together. Anyways, I understand that there is a festival going on in 新竹 right now. 在新竹的北埔商圈呢，好像在8月的中的時候呢，會有所謂的擂茶跟米章的這個節日，對不對？
就會擂茶蜜腸節。擂
茶蜜腸節。Okay, it's the Lei Tea and the Rice Krispie Festival, which means there's a lot of food to eat. So go to Hsinchu and enjoy that. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太嘎？
俺自say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.